Let's make wild rice and pecan stuffing. Once the rice is boiling rapidly, give it a little stir. Cover it and be sure to leave a little bit of space to let some of the steam escape. Put it down to simmer and cook it for about 35 to 50 minutes. Add some butter to the same pot, let that melt. So now let's just put it all together. It smells so good. Now we're going to add the flour to the veggies. You want to make sure it's mixed well so that the flour loses its floury taste. Pour the sherry into the egg yolks. Mix it really well. The recipe calls for pecans, but you can use walnuts or even pistachio. Pecans and the orange bits. Mix it all together. And then we're going to pop this into an oven, unless you're going to stuff the turkey with it. Preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, the orange and the sage, you can really smell it. Pecans are still a little crunchy. This is absolutely delicious. Bonus, leftovers make a great soup.